what's going on? And today is another day, and another day is a new recipe. And today I will show you how to make an easy delicious crinkle that you can make it at home. So without further ado, let's get started. These are all ingredients we need. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of white sugar, 2 pieces of egg, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. First step, we need to add cocoa powder, sugar, oil, and mix it. Add vanilla extract, add egg, and mix it well. In a separate bowl, we need the all-purpose flour, baking powder, pinch of salt, and mix it, and add the cocoa mixture to your flour mixture and mix it well. And refrigerate it for at least 1 hour. And if you don't have a powdered sugar, you need a blender, 1 cup of sugar, and then 1 teaspoon of corn starch. Add the powdered sugar, butter the pan, and oven it for 5 minutes. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious video. If you have any suggestion, comment, please comment down below. And 3, 2, 1, adios! If you like my video, you can follow me on Facebook, YouTube,